Hi, and welcome to our Dolly Advent collaboration. In the lead up to Christmas, I'll be opening a different surprise gift each day from either Jay of J Dolls UK, Marna from Dolls Rescued, or from Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. Please check out their channels today too, as they'll also be opening a surprise gift, and it could be for me. The links are in the description. Hi there, today is the 17th day in our Dolly Advent collaboration, so let's see what surprise gift I'll be opening today. Have my bowl of goodies. Let's see, really random. Okay, I have something from Marna at Dolls Rescued. Oh, let's see. Oh, how pretty! Oh, we have got a lovely Christmas wreath. It is, excellent. It has sticky pads on the back and it's made from lovely glittery, like little flower shapes going all around. That's absolutely gorgeous. So it's adhesive, so I can stick it to a wall for a dolly display. I do plan, if you haven't seen it come out already, to make a Christmas doll room in the style of the hidden doll rooms on the My Froggy Stuff channel. So watch out for that if it hasn't come yet. I will be working on it, and this is totally going in there. So thank you very much, Marna, and thank you for watching. Please leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you thought of today's lovely gift. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.